Alright, so this thing is about the arrest and detention of Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki. And this video I want you to watch now is a revelation of the person behind his arrest. But I want you to watch the video by yourself and let me know if you think this guy is saying the truth or he's just cooking up this story. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
I need you to learn to be careful of people. Like I myself, I learned. I have learned a bit. Okay, Akwa was arrested a couple of days ago. And investigations were going on, because for me, if you check the young guy, if you investigate the young man and he's innocent, let him go. Now, Onye Eze, I know bloggers will not say these things, even if I have told them, or even if they get information better than me, they may not be able to say it because Mana, I am directing this message to the state government of Anambra State, the state governor of Anambra State and his team, the deputy, and those in authority there. Onye Eze came to the police. I hope you all can hear me. Onye Eze, you came to the police today and said that Akwa is behind, or Akwa sent people who came and kidnapped you. Is that fair? Is that really? Is that truth? I am saying this because while we are trying, this alone has taught me a very deep lesson. Be careful of the kind of people you bring around you. Onye Eze, if native doctors should be arrested, all of them, are you not a native doctor? Are you not a prophet Dibia? So you had the courage. You came to the police either because you were paid. You came and alleged something on this young man. His conduct on the internet is not good. That of making people to believe so much in charm, even when that thing is not real. Even when those charms, those so-called Ibubokite, they are not in any way, from David, they are not in any way helping our people. But even you, Onye Eze, you are one of those people who has encouraged this kind of things. Do we talk about the fake life you portray on the internet? Because before some of these things, I have realized that it's okay. Who is superior amongst you? I don't like that young man's activities on the internet, but that doesn't mean one should just rise up because he has problems. He gets here to frame up something that can cost this guy his life. Something you know that may cost this guy even the next generation. I don't understand these people. So please, as security agencies, this guy who came to allege something on this guy, who came and said this kind of thing, even to Akwa's face, I want to ask, are they not birds of the same feather? So if Akwa should plot someone's, may they carry somebody go, I go use put them because of Facebook, may they KP somebody. Should it be Onye Eze? Should it be Onye Eze? Because I still understand, when knowledge is speaking to you, you will be able to understand that I think this Akwa of a person has calibers, rich people who comes close to him, big boys he can equally, not really into that KP business. And when then add to Yawa, and when then add to this guy, plan against them. I got another those people hundreds of millions more than you. So I want to ask my brothers, can you name our people? The first conduct to the way potra. And you accuse your mother-in-law. That one is Urugi. Okay. While we watch the security agencies to do their job, they should look into this carefully. They should carefully look into this. Because I foresee Akenwe. I will not say because they hate him, his activities on the internet. The confidence, I'm not against you being a native doctor. Go ahead if you wish. Now I want to ask all those people they saw Akwa red. Oh no, morning this and that, morning moon, morning star. Where are you people? I think except one of them, Bonyem Frolesho to that concern there. So I ask you, Kendos are the Tigari Babadiga red Abia Ewego na Bondo Popotashro no Kunama now. Where are others? Please, the government of Anambra State, Onye Eze should also be checkmated for it. There are videos about Siane Bokite. The kettle is now causing the pot black. I thought I saw Akwa and this guy some time ago. I saw Munyam there about Akwa Okuko Garadia gave pay visit. He was making videos and thereabout. Everyone listening to me, be careful of people that comes close to you. Father of men's. Father of men's. All the men's. This is somehow. As when your in-law arrest, your mother-in-law, there are certain things people should endure. I didn't talk about that video. I didn't make response because definitely if that person, that woman, Aki Adrenia, me making a video initially, then I don't think it will make sense. That was why I kept quiet. So I allowed you to settle your thing there. I need a meeting on that thing. But after that one again, you also came out on social media. You also offended people who equally intervened that time and you were issues. It is wrong. So please, I beg the governor of Anambra State, the deputy governor, you're a PhD holder, and the governor is a professor. The both of you can at least think deep. This person bega bagariga now. What is his own activities? Okay. I believe the EFCC, they finished checking Akwa, and I am yet to understand their report. We are yet to ascertain their own report and at least know exactly their findings over Akwa and the police investigations and thereabouts. But painfully, upon hearing that Onye Eze came and pointed at this young man, no boy plot through his kidnap. Come on, no. Everybody watching me right now, be careful of people you go close to. A lot has happened to me. A lot has happened to me that I don't talk on the internet and look at my friends and tell you, look at their color, look at their behavior. Does not mean I don't have sense. I have sense. And that, let me not say Nama me here. So if this guy is behind your KP, or he sent those people who did KP on you, you shouldn't have waited until the government arrests him for a different thing, for a different investigation. You were supposed immediately you came back, the next minute, the first place you go to is to the police. You make your entry, make your petitions available through your lawyers, and he would be arrested immediately. Kidnapping aburu obere case. Oburu oku maazi. While you are fighting to match down on your friends, mind what you do to them. Akwa, these people we are watching Akwa built hotels in his name. Right now, go to those same hotels Akwa Okuko built in his names. Right now, if you see 6 persons lodging there, man of mistake. If Akwa had built those hotels in different locations and nobody knows about Akwa with those hotels, Akwa wouldn't have had more enemies. Believe you me, that hotel alone attracted, and the way he flaunts monies on the internet, Ali Bokino. And when Onye seen all the release in a village, ya will let us ask. Ordinary Toyota Corolla, carry and come back your village, make you see how they go look you. Akwa Abuino. So amongst the Dibia and Akwa Okuko Bishop, Dibia and all that, they were copying you, they were imitating Akwa. That was why many of them became Dibia. From the day if any Dibia put that around you, Manana and Kea, when I just don't happy, we see that. From that day, Joakwana went to the Park. People were rushing him, baby. I didn't do such. Onye Eze si na Akwa na-erento. Amarom, police should investigate that. No, but Akwa na-erento true. A deal with ya, labor kwa ya other people na-erento.